With one click, you can batch reverse engineer video resources from 30+ major mainstream platforms around the world, and form detailed long-term prompt assets that can be directly reused. On the video reverse prompt page, click Link Online Video. Enter the corresponding video link here, and then click Start Linking. The software will automatically identify the video platform and complete the video linking. After the link is complete, the video will appear on the main page of Video Reverse Prompts. Select the videos that need to be processed. Then click the Batch Reverse Prompt to batch analyze videos. When we want to learn a new piece of knowledge or a new skill, for example, when we want to learn how to edit videos, we can drag the related videos in for analysis and form a main idea summary for each video. This allows us to quickly absorb the main content of the videos and learn the methods in them, especially for foreign language videos that we are not familiar with. Learning efficiency is directly maxed out. When we want to reuse the creativity in a video, we can directly use the narration script and scene description functions. The narration script will extract the narration script from the current video and optimize and improve it. The scene description function will accurately recreate the prompt words for each part of the scene in the current video. With timing accurate to the second, we can give this part of the content to AI and quickly reuse the creative content in the video. Finally, there is also a very important feature update this time. In the past, when many friends used the annotation function, they did not know how to use local models and did not know how to configure APIs. Now none of these are needed. A new default mode has been added. No model configuration is required, and the software can be used directly, greatly reducing hardware requirements. The translation function can also be used without configuration, greatly improving the translation effect and directly enabling Chinese-English content replacement. Alright, that's it for this time. See you next time. Bye-bye.